Alright guys, so I have a quick Walmart haul that I got. I just needed to pick up a few items. I already had this salmon, but I wanted like a different flavor. So I found this Smoky Mystique marinade. I got that. I got some tenders for my girls. I got some more mashed potatoes. Got a card for my husband's birthday. Got some sheets for my daughter's bed because we're redoing their room. And these little Krispy Kreme donuts that they like. So they can eat those in the morning. But yeah, so this Smoky Mystique marinade that I got from Walmart, I think it was like $3 and something. So pretty nice size bag. So you just basically open it up and just put your meat in there and then you grill it. I didn't grill outside, but I put the salmon in the air fryer. Um, Now I will say this: it doesn't have like a salt content. Not to this one, it didn't taste like it had any salt to me. So what I would do is, if you want, maybe you can add a little salt in there, or you could like season it a little bit afterwards if that's what you want. I didn't want to add anything at first because I wanted to see what the flavor was like, and it was smoky. It had a little bit of sweetness. It was really good, and so I just paired it with some of those leftover mashed potatoes that I had, and I had got that extra pack to add to the ones that I had made homemade. So that was what I had for dinner. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.